halor karai jing persenge Shipor ke Central Recruitment Board CRB, Meghalaya Police ban penlong Physical Efficiency Test PET, kum Shibanta ban Thung Pulit, nama kejungthot kibor Mashin, ubah perstun tensong, sembut Menteri Rongba beri Peit iktanat kampo yang kesurar jela, haka arpo arterik naiwi yang arca arpsau, la pentep, bola betha ya ke recruitment board ban pensenge ya ke physical efficiency test ban sedang biang pat hadien bla dependable ki kor machine ki baron jing thot habakren skilat phai khubor ba pstun loong bakan shimpor kumba Taïew ne Atiar ban Pynbha pat ki kor machine ba hadien bla dependable ke recruitment board ka sedang biang ya ke physical efficiency test ula ban rapru ba office recruitment board kala penmi ya jing permana ban husiar ki riu thok ba pan pisa ban penpas ya ke physical efficiency test.
Yesterday we have taken a decision. I told them that better we reset the whole thing because I think some technical defect happens in the in the instruments. So I've already told the board to better postpone it, cancel it, restart again. So now it takes maybe 1 week or 2 weeks like that. So once everything is in place, again we will start. Yeah, it was technical, because through this through this instrument, we will be able to know this fellow he completed 1 round or 2 round or 3 round up to 5 or 10 or 15 rounds, whatever specified by the board. So in this case, what happened was, those who completed full round, maybe if it happens to be 10 round, it's shown incomplete. When incomplete means maybe they completed only 5 round or 6 round. In fact, they are supposed to complete the entire allotment made to them, means maybe 10 or 15 round. So therefore, I told them, because we really don't want to create any doubts to any candidate, so I told better we just cancel it and then check properly those instruments, and once it is in place, then again we will recall back those candidates who already done for 2 or 3 days. We will recall back and then we will start. Now it's only the instrument where they have to again reset or do the repairing or whatever. But once that is done, then the interview again, the PET will start, and then it will start again from the day one itself. Those who already participated, again they have to run. We have already told, I think today also our chairman here already appealed to all the public, all the youths who applied for the police post, that they should not be trapped by these people who just wanted to make money. See, this is day-to-day happening. Even with the mobile itself, there are so many people who were being cheated. So why you being cheated? You need to know yourself. People has to be aware about it. I'm not the one who says you go and do that. You get a point. In fact, I think education has to be reach out to each and individual citizens of the state. That see, we should not be a fool. We should not be cheated at any point of time or at any cost.
Habatin, Peit bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, Peit ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakambha kajing im bakambha Pyndonkam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.